The moong dal can be soaked for 10 minutes minimum. Swiss chard from the garden, cleaned and ready now. Chopped Swiss chard stems and leaves. Chopped onions, green chilies, mustard seeds, Bengal gram and white gram, and tomatoes. Set in the saute mode for normal or high. Add oil, mustard seed, wait for it to splatter, and then add Bengal gram dal little bit, and then white gram dal little bit, and just for a minute, and then you can add your chopped onions. You can add cumin seeds if you want. After a minute, you can add green chilies now. It's better to add the chopped stems before we add tomatoes. Add the chopped tomatoes too now. After a minute, you can add turmeric, required level, and then red chili powder if you want more spice. As we add the leafy vegetables, better to reduce the heat to less. Add the chopped leaves now. Add the soaked dal now without water. Mix it. And then you can add the salt as required. Mix it. And then you can add the water, double the times of the soaked dal quantity, or even 1 cup extra. Close the lid now. Don't forget to lock it. Then you can just put on a pressure cooker, high pressure, 6 minutes. The quantity can be less, normal or more as you do. 6 minutes high pressure cook. You can keep it warm or not as you wish. Once the pressure is released, you can take it out. Swiss chard moong dal is ready. Time to eat with roti or rice, or drink as soup.